Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to install Google Apps on Mac. So open your browser and head over to google.com, right? All you got to do now is just hit the three bars at the top right or the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll a little bit down to find Save and Share. A new window will show up, okay? And all you got to do now, you're going to be able to install this as a shortcut, okay? So hit Open in Google. Right, the Google app will show up. Right, it's going to be independent from my browser. So this is only for Google in Google's ecosystem. So consider liking this video, subscribing, and instead of open in Google, you're going to see install app or install as an app. Right, and all you gotta do is just hit install, and you're gonna name it Google, and basically a Google app will show up like this, right? This is the final outcome, but I already downloaded Google as an independent browser, so that's why I didn't show you the whole like how to install it as like a normal app, but you're gonna face the same steps. You won't have any problems with that. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.